I'm missing something here. Oh, Section 21. I think a video is gonna come up. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Hi, this is Rich with the C21 Soul Team.
And Lana Wynn.
And welcome to our latest listing at 2707 Corde Terra Circle in San Jose.
This listing is 1650 square feet, 3 beds, 2.5 bath.
And it also features a private patio with a retractable awning. And my favorite feature is that you have a solar panel system that is owned. So your electricity bill is really, really low.
And with this low HOA of $160 a month, you actually have access to the pool, the gym, playgrounds around the area as well.
So come on in and take a look inside.
One of my favorite features is this living room. It has a gas fireplace and you have access to the outside patio where you can do gardening and much more. You have a formal dining room here on the second level, and as you walk through the hallway, there's another dining area that you can make into a breakfast nook or a living space. As you walk to the kitchen, we have upgraded countertops with granite, stainless steel appliances, the fridge, the microwave actually has a nook here that you can use, and a very large pantry.
So we are in the master bedroom. Now, one of my favorite features is that it has plenty of light through all the windows. In addition, you've got a walk-in closet, and the master bathroom is located conveniently next to it. Now, there's also a ceiling fan to keep you cool in the summertime.
Now, what I like about this master bathroom is the Jack and Jill sink with upgraded countertops, a built-in shower, and a soaking tub for those long, hot summer nights.
So when you're entertaining, one of the nice features is that you've got a convenient half bath. Now the half bath has been upgraded. You've got newer baseboards, new crown molding, as well as a toilet and a pedestal vanity. So I'm in the master bedroom closet. Now one of my favorite features is that you've got a nice window here to keep everything nice and bright, but you've also got a smart hub. The smart hub lets you connect to satellite dish, Gigabit Ethernet, as well as Comcast for all the rooms.
I'm here between the two bedrooms, and it has a common bathroom with a desk. The common bathroom actually has upgraded granite countertops and tile throughout the bathroom, and you have a shower glass door.
Now my favorite feature of the single family home is the private patio. Now in addition, there's an automatic retractable awning that provides lots of shade on those hot summer times. Now in addition, there's an automatic drip sprinkler system in case you want to grow plants and vegetables. So through an agreement with the HOA, you have access to the community pool, community gym, as well as the playgrounds. Features of the property is that you can actually walk to the Fairgrounds. Now the Fairgrounds hosts numerous shows throughout the year, including toy shows as well as home and garden shows. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we hope to see you at the next open house.